Hello again, Internet. Lord Logan here with another LEGO opening video. Today I have LEGO 2015 Bionicle Mask Maker versus the Skull Grinder. $30 set. I like the design of it. I like the whole conflict in a box idea that they've been going with the new Bionicle. All the good guys have come with some sort of skull spider thing. So they all have monsters that they can fight. So I'm going to build it, I'm going to do a review, I'm going to have fun with it. And there it goes. The evil skull grinder. This giant spear of doom and hooking. I don't even know if this can be counted as a spear. And his tiny little katana thingy. Versus the valiant golden mask maker with his hammer. Hammer time. Do 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 do. And the stand for the shiny golden mask of Epic Win. Don't quite understand all the story of the Bionicle set for this stuff, but yeah, this is what they're fighting for. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed building this one. Overall thoughts? I like that our big guy here has a tiny little piece of back armor to fill in some of the obvious holes. I don't like the excess joints underneath his arms here, but all in all, still a pretty cool set. Our tiny little golden mask maker guy, his swinging arm is a little stiff in my opinion. Maybe they should have done with one extra gear piece there instead of two, but I was just following the instructions. And as for the mask stand, I don't know, it seems underwhelming to me. The mask is drooping a little bit. Alright, thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button. It'll show up down there somewhere, down in the comment box. Leave comments, thoughts. Hey, make a suggestion on a set you'd like me to do sometime. If I'm able to, I will gladly pick it up and do a video of it. Thank you, and have a great day.